Hi everybody, today I'm gonna upgrade a Lenovo Ideapad laptop by adding extra RAM and also by adding SSD. If you have an Ideapad and if you wonder what types and capacities of RAM and SSD are compatible with your device, check the link below. In this video, my video editor will cut out a lot of unnecessary parts to save your time. I am Saeed and you are watching the Key channel. Unscrew the back panel of your laptop. It has 13 screws. Remove the DVD writer. And then unlock the clips between front and back panel using a guitar pick. Look, my hand is shaking. I'm getting old. Here is another clip around the place of DVD writer. Shake the back panel gently to remove it. Here is an image of the internal parts of your laptop. The battery and battery connector are in yellow. SSD slot and also RAM cover are in red. Other parts are in green. The first thing that you need to do is to disconnect the battery from the mainboard, preventing any possible electrical shock to the internal parts of your laptop. Unscrew the battery. It has 5 screws. Disconnect the battery connector by gently moving it to our left and right. To remove the RAM cover, just move it upward. Release the clips to remove the previous RAM. Then insert the new one but tilted. Then press it downward. And place the RAM cover. Just push it downward. To insert the SSD, insert it again, tilted. Then screw it to the mainboard. Connect the battery to the mainboard and make sure that it is tight. unscrew the battery and remember that it has 5 screws. Now tighten the screws one by one. Place the back panel and then, using your fingers, lock the clips by pressurizing the front and back panel toward each other. Screw the back panel. And then tighten the screws one by one. Just one screw hole is remaining. This is the holder of DVD writer. Insert DVD writer and then screw it. And now your laptop is ready to go. Thanks for watching this video.